swelled to 132 homes for sale. It's Friday, June 3rd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Contracts are down this week, which may be as a result of Memorial Day holiday or the commissioning week. However, we are seeing market shifts in various areas, indicating a trend to watch as buyer activity is slowing. Here's what the market activity looks like this week. There are 25 homes coming soon, a drop from the prior week's increase. 24 homes came to the market since last week, down further. 12 homes went under contract. This is down from the prior weeks. 18 homes are temporarily off the market. 9 homes went pending, which is down by more than half. 41 homes sold in 5 median days at 100.8% list to sale ratio, down from 104.5%. The highest sale over the past week was in Wardour for $4,500,000. Rental inventory fell further to only 12 properties at a higher price point of $2,900 per month. If you are thinking about moving, let's talk. The market is showing some signs of changes, and you may have some question of how that'll impact you. That's this week's snapshot for Annapolis Real Estate Report, June 3rd, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week.